Alright, so here's the shit box that I'm working on. I don't know how many miles it has on it because the odometer quit working when I bought it. But it's got the old reliable 4.6 liter, old trusty dusty here. Had to put a new intake manifold on it because I decided to leak coolant on the crossover right there. So that was fun to deal with. It's been a pretty good car. I put this push bar on it because to me it looks more like a cop car, which I'm not impersonating a cop, so don't come after me. So we'll go ahead and start by working on this hunk of shit. I'll show you guys how bad the old one was. Which one? Okay, this one. I got two of them. One of them will not hold any pressure, and this one's starting to not hold any pressure, so I'm kind of getting screwed on jacks here. Okay, we got that jacked up. I will show you guys just how bad this upper control arm is. You probably can't even see it, but yeah, I'll go ahead and get this wheel off and let you guys take a look because it's pretty bad. Been driving like it for a little bit of time, half a year. Ain't too bad, right? Oh, I haven't even tried to take this off. That thing was getting ready to come off on its own. That would have been nice. Lose that on the damn road, that would have been fantastic. All right, first we need to get the caliper off. Go ahead and break that guy loose. If I can see. Ding. Once you guys get this off, then the rotor just comes right off. That is no doubt going to be the hardest bolt to do. I've heard a lot of people struggle with that one. That is the hardest, usually the most seized one. Yeah, just ignore that for now. We won't look at that. So next, I need to make sure these will come loose up here. Make sure that'll come loose. And then we're going to take the bolts up here loose because we got to remove this whole entire strut assembly. Yeah, bear with me. My GoPro keeps deciding to kill itself every 20 seconds now. So it's getting better, yeah. But we'll go ahead and take that strut bolts on the top out. Okay, for the top strut bolts, it is a 13 millimeter, and they are located right there. Those three guys. I already got my socket on it. I'm just trying to find a place to put my light. There we go. At least now you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. This one's hitting my box here. We can go ahead and take that extension off since that one is loose. Back on this one. Not too incredibly hard, but it's just more one of them awkward deals. It's kind of annoying, but gotta do it, so. Next, got to get the bolts off, which I've already started on. There's one bolt. And you know, my favorite part about wintertime is just working and just slop. You know, I just freaking love it. It's my favorite time of the year. I don't know about everybody else. Got it. Two out. I did a little bit of off-camera work here. I could not get the sway bar end links. I could not get this to come off because it was all broke, but just a little bit of heat to it and it came right off. Next, we need to get the bolt underneath this guy off, 15/16, so we'll go ahead and get that guy. Oh. I can't tell if this is coming off or if it's just spinning the whole. It sounds like it's spinning. I'm dumb. There's a little bitty Allen head right there. So now I just need to find an Allen and put that on and we can continue. I got a little bitty Allen. So now let's give it a try. Oh yeah, there we go. I will say though, this car has been pretty dang reliable for me. It does shoot spark plugs out, so fair warning if you do get one of these. Be ready for flying spark plugs, but serious here. Yeah, man. Love it. This should get her lighted. I didn't actually have to finish cutting it. I just beat it off with the hammer, so that's what she said. That's one less step. Now on to the really fun one. All right, guys, I had a little bit of a progress update. I kind of got a little too into it and forgot to record. Plus this freaking GoPro decided to ejecto-cedo and the battery just completely died. So it's been charging. I got it out. If anyone's ever doing this job, good luck. I had to use my torch, completely annihilate that, but I got it out. As you can see, clean cut through the hole. As you can see, you can still see through it. I got the new one already mounted. I gotta wait on new parts. I called O'Reilly's, but they want like, they don't even have this part. And I need this sway bar end link, which they want like 50 bucks for, and I found it on Car Parts for 10 bucks. So I'm just gonna wait for that. Here you can kind of see just how bad it was. I mean, there's just absolutely nothing left. You can imagine the noises that the car was making going down the road, hitting bumps. This project will have to get put off for a little bit. The next problem we have with this car is I was driving home today in the snow, and it decided to throw a wrench light on the dash. Let's see. Don't judge me for all of my codes, okay? I have like 15 codes due to it having pretty much no exhaust. Don't judge me too hard. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh, I gotta go through these. I think that's a new one. Engine misfire detected on startup, first 1,000 revolutions. Oh boy. Internal control module torque. We got quite a bit of codes. We got a couple new ones, so I'm gonna read these real quick and Google them and see what we have. Well, after doing a little bit of reading up, it looks like the wrench light could have got turned on, possibly faulty throttle body, issues with the throttle body or the pedal, issues with the throttle position sensor, which a lot of people said that's the main reason that the wrench light comes on these cars. Clogged air filter, which I definitely don't think it would have. Dirty mass airflow sensor, which I have cleaner for that. So we'll take it apart, we'll try and clean it and see.